So let's talk about the great paradox of being an MSP. You spend a fortune on tools and countless hours building brilliant automations that solve your client's problems in minutes. And what do you get for it? Well, a client who says, I guess that ticket just fixed itself. Cool. It really starts to feel like you're giving away your most margin-saving, efficiency-boosting, valuable work for free. And you kind of are. You see, your automation is like this thankless ghost, an invisible ghost that haunts your tech stack, like quietly saving the day while getting absolutely zero credit. And so today we're going to talk about how to turn that ghost into your #1 salesperson. The problem is one of perception. To your client, the value is in the outcome, not the effort. So when a problem disappears instantly, they don't see the complex multi-system workflow that you've built. They just see magic. And it's really hard to bill for magic, right? So now you're a bit stuck because you can't charge for the hour for a process that takes 15 seconds. And you can't bill for a bot's time. And so this forces you to bury the cost of your automation into your all-in seat price. And that in turn just squeezes your margins and makes you look more expensive than the competition. So what you really need isn't just automation, it's a way to make the invisible visible. You need proof. Imagine having a dashboard for each one of your clients that shows them in real time the ROI of your automation. A screen that says, this month our automated systems saved you 48 hours of potential downtime, prevented 12 security risks, and resolved 200 tickets before a human ever even had to touch anything. Now that's not a cost, that's an investment, and that's a client-facing ROI dashboard. And now let's say, what if you could take that even further? Because your automation is multi-tenant and you pay per flow, you will know the exact unit economics of every single automated service that you provide. Every single one. This allows you to stop giving away the magic and start packaging it. Properly. You could, for example, create new billable service tiers. A gold tier that includes proactive patch governance, for example. Or a platinum tier that adds automated service remediation and compliance reporting. And then you can show your clients exactly what they're paying for with tenant showback reports. This really does change the entire conversation because it takes you from just being the IT guys and turns you into a strategic partner that can provide quantifiable, high value, and automated services. All of a sudden, you're selling outcomes, not hours. So stop letting your best work become a rounding error in your monthly recurring revenue reports. It's really time to put your automation on the payroll and turn your biggest cost center into the most profitable product. Anyway, make sure you subscribe because next time we're entering the gauntlet. We're talking security, compliance, and scaling your IAM services without the liability.